Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, open your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, tap on profile button. So after entering to your profile, tap on three dots right here. After pressing on three dots, find the option named as turn on professional mode. So here, tap on it. After tapping on it, you saw turn on, then press on it. So here we go. So your professional mode is now turned on. Here are some features of professional setup. So as you can see, monetization and your dashboard and many more. And now you can see your followers and your following right here on your profile. So now you are converted your profile to professional account. So here is your professional dashboard. You can see your monetization here and many more, like moderation assist. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.